What's up, guys? All good? My name is Donna. In this video, I will tell you everything you need to know about the ProNail Complex before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today, this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description, and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the ProNail Complex works. Introducing ProNail Complex. ProNail Complex is a topical solution for the fungal infections affecting your nails. It includes well-researched and scientifically proven ingredients that kill the pathogen and repair the damage altogether. What distinguishes it from other antifungal products is that ProNail Complex comes in a spray form, which makes its usage easier. All you have to do is clean the affected area, dry it properly, and spray the serum directly. The microparticles in the serum go deep down to the skin. Within a few weeks, the cells start auto-repairing, with a continuous supply of nutrients through the spray. Plus, you can use it on hand nails and toes, affected and healthy both. For healthy nails, it will just act as an extra protective layer so that the fungal infections are not spread there. The ingredients are safe for your skin and do not irritate or damage it. The entire stock is made in the US and FDA-approved facilities and double-checked through independent testing services. There are no side effects linked with this product. How does it work? Every dose of ProNail Complex provides antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant effects with the help of its proprietary blend. It revitalizes the nails, makes them strong, and prevents breakage. Within a short time, you will see the discoloration going away, the chipped nails will heal, and the natural shine and color will return. Remember that ProNail Complex spray is not a replacement for any medicine. If you are advised to use a medicine, do not replace this product with it. Also, basic hygiene and foot care are necessary no matter which antifungal product you choose. Talk to the customer support if you have questions regarding the usage. How to use ProNail Complex. You should apply a few drops of ProNail Complex daily to the skin of your feet and nails, which will clear the fungus from your body and encourage clean, healthy nails. ProNail Complex Guarantee. Each bottle of ProNail Complex comes with a 60-day ironclad money-back guarantee. If, for any reason, you are not completely satisfied with the results, you can simply return what you did not use for a full refund, no questions asked. Is ProNail Complex FDA approved? ProNail Complex is designed for all ages and medical conditions to naturally support your hearing system. ProNail Complex has high-quality, natural ingredients manufactured in an FDA-approved facility under sterile, strict, and precise standards. Each of the ingredients that go into ProNail Complex is tested for purity and to ensure against toxins and contaminants.